You know, I see like 1.5 Rangers worth of rust here. But got the axle out, this shackle's out, this shackle's out. That one's still in because there's a ton of wiring and fun stuff over there. That shackle's out. Fuel tank is out. So, but look at this little. If anybody wants a catback exhaust for a 97 Ford Ranger, here it is. It's only a little rusted off. Secured by the finest. 2 messed up shocks. 2 messed up leaf springs. So the one that wasn't broken, that mount, I tried to take it off nicely, and it just twisted. And here we are. But bed off, everything is stripped, so gonna work at it again tomorrow. Get that one out, and then I'm still gonna buy a ton of parts, so that's gonna be great. But there are the wheels, there's a bed, so pretty productive today. So plan to do the same tomorrow.